guys, Manu, physical therapist and herbalist. So I'm going to show you a better way to do the traditional quadricep stretch that people often do in standing. So I'm sure you're seeing people do this position where they're standing on one leg and they're trying to stretch the quadricep on the opposite leg. So often you find people pulling that leg back and just letting that low back arch. So this is one, the stretch is not as effective. The second thing is a lot of movement is coming from your low back, a lot of extension that's taking place. Okay, so a better way to do that stretch would be, and protect your low back at the same time, would be to, and you're standing in this position, to first, before you pull that leg up, tighten up your abdominals, do almost like a slight posterior tilt, okay? And then I would squeeze my glute, especially on my right side. I tighten my butt muscles, okay? As I squeeze the glutes here and I tighten my abdominals, do a slight posterior tilt, and then work at pulling that up towards you. And let that knee go back just a little bit so I get some hip extension also. So this is a much better way to get the quadricep, and I'll get some of my hip flexors too as I start to stretch that position. And this is a safer position and much more effective way to do that, as well as I can maintain a better posture and upright position when I'm doing that and protect my spine. I'm not getting so much hyperextension in that position. Okay, so this is a much better way to do that quadricep stretch than the other way. There are other ways to do that as well that are even more effective in my view, but this is one way that you can make sure that you don't injure your low back or cause doing excessive extension on that spine. Right? I hope that helps. Make sure you leave a comment if you have questions, and definitely go check out the site. There's tons of information on it, and hope that helped. Thanks, guys.